Repeating and canceling commands. The most common way to repeat a command that you've just used is simply to press enter. And you can do this, for example, line command, call the command, you create a line, and you finish the command. At this point, if you want to repeat it, simply you do enter, and you see in the command line that the command it was called again, and you are ready to create a new line. You can do it also pressing spacebar. It will act the exact same way. Okay, line again. But you can abbreviate this a little and avoid to do the enter or the spacebar. If you are going to use the same command a lot of times repeatedly, you can do another technique which involves to use this option called multiple. So you write it down, do the enter, and now you should let AutoCAD know what is the command to repeat. So I will say line, and line it was called. I will do a line and do the enter to finish. And you can see that here you are ready again for another line, and it goes on and on. It will stop only when you do an escape in your keyboard. And now if I do a line and finish it, you see that it no longer display repeatedly the line command.